Are you feeling sluggish, bloated, or constantly run down? Well, you might want to check the lymphatic system. This unsung hero of your body works 24/7 to remove waste, fight infection, and keep your fluids balanced. But unlike your heart, it doesn't have a pump. It actually relies on you to keep moving. Now, in this video, I'm going to break down some of the fascinating science of your lymphatic system and show you 3 simple techniques to keep it flowing and optimized. So what is the lymphatic system? Well, I want you to think of your lymphatic system as your body's plumbing and waste disposal system. It's a network of vessels, nodes, and organs like your spleen and your thymus that works alongside your circulatory system. Here's how it works. You've got this lymph, a clear fluid filled with white blood cells that collects waste products, toxins, and pathogens from your tissues. It flows through lymph nodes, which acts as filtration systems, destroying harmful invaders before returning the cleared fluid to your bloodstream. But there's a catch. Unlike blood, which is pumped by your heart, lymph relies on movement, your movement, to circulate. When it stagnates, toxins accumulate, swelling occurs, and your immune system can take a hit. That's why activating your lymphatic system is crucial for detox, energy, and overall health. Now, there are 3 techniques to activate the lymphatic system. Number 1, bouncing on the balls of your feet. One of the simplest, most effective ways to stimulate your lymphatic system is by bouncing gently on the balls of your feet. The rhythmic motion creates a pump-like effect that encourages lymphatic fluid to circulate through its vessels, and here's how to do it. Stand with your feet hip distance apart and begin bouncing lightly on the balls of your feet, keeping your heels just off the ground. Let your arms hang loosely and shake gently to amplify this effect. Do this for 1 or 2 minutes. The vertical motion helps to open and close the one-way valves in your lymphatic vessels, and this propels lymph fluid towards the lymph nodes for filtration. It's low impact, but highly effective. Number 2 is rubbing and tapping the big 6. The lymphatic system has some key clusters of lymphatic nodes in 6 primary areas known as the big 6, coined by Dr. Perry Nicholson. These are the collarbones, the neck, the armpits, your abdomen, groin, and the back of your knees. And to stimulate the flow, try this. Use your hands to gently rub or massage in circular motions, followed by 10 seconds of light tapping in this area. Always move towards the heart, which is the direction of the lymph naturally flows. Why does this work? Well, stimulating these key areas enhances the drainage of the lymphatic fluid, prevents stagnation, reducing swelling, and improving detoxification. Number 3, diaphragmatic breathing. Your lymphatic system has a hidden ally, your diaphragm. And deep belly breathing creates internal pressure changes that help to pump lymph through the thoracic duct, the largest lymph vessel in your body. So you're gonna try this. You're gonna inhale deeply through your nose for 4 seconds, expanding your belly. You're gonna hold your breath for 4 seconds, and then slowly breathe out for 6 seconds. As you do that out breath, make sure you contract your belly right down to the last bit of breath inside of you. This simple act of breathing not only supports lymphatic flow, but also boosts oxygen delivery to your tissues and lowers stress. Let's look at the science behind it. Why do these techniques work? Well, movement, mechanical pressure, and changes in internal pressure are key. Lymphatic vessels contain one-way valves that rely on muscle contraction and gravity and external stimulation to push the fluid along. Bouncing uses gravitational force and rhythmic compression to stimulate lymph. Rubbing and tapping, they stimulate those big clusters manually to activate the lymph nodes and the vessels. And diaphragmatic breathing creates pressure gradients that drive lymph through the thoracic duct and into the bloodstream. When these techniques are combined, they can reduce inflammation, boost immune response, and increase energy by supporting the body's natural detox pathways. Now, if you learned anything in this video today that you thought, whoa, that's fascinating, let me know down in the comments if you tried some of the techniques and they worked for you, or even if they didn't, please do message me down below. I would love to hear from you. And remember to hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell so that you can be up to date with any future uploads that we might put on this channel. Anyway, my darling, thank you so much for watching. I can't wait to see you on the next video.